If you want to set up and use a MailChimp account the easy way, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. We'll cover how to sign in, import your contacts, create a campaign, design your email, review everything, and send it out confidently. Whether you're building your first email list or getting ready to launch a new campaign, this is a simple beginner-friendly guide you can follow along with. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the website loads, sign in to your MailChimp account. If you already have an account, just enter your login details and continue. If you are new to MailChimp, you'll need to create an account first before you can start managing contacts and building campaigns. After you sign in, look at the left-hand menu and click Audience. This is the section where all of your contacts are stored and managed. Your audience is basically your email list, so this is where you'll keep track of the people you want to send campaigns to. Next, you're going to import your contacts. To do that, click Add Contacts, then select Import Contacts. MailChimp gives you a few different ways to bring in your list, but the main idea is to upload your contact file and make sure the data comes in correctly. Once your file is uploaded, double-check that all email addresses were imported properly. This is an important step because if anything is missing or formatted incorrectly, it can cause problems later when you send your campaign. Once your contacts are in place, move over to Campaigns from the left-hand menu. This is where you create and manage all of your email campaigns. If Audience is your contact list, Campaigns is where the actual email marketing happens. This is the area you'll use every time you want to send a newsletter, a promotion, an announcement, or any other email to your subscribers. To create a new email campaign, click Create, then choose Email as the campaign type. MailChimp will give you different options depending on what you want to send, but for a standard email campaign, this is the one you want. Now select Regular as your email campaign type. This is the typical choice for a normal one-time email or newsletter. After that, enter a name for your campaign so you can identify it later. Then click Begin. Naming your campaign clearly will help you stay organized, especially if you plan to send multiple emails over time. Now it's time to choose an email design. You can pick a template such as Basic Layout, then select a style like Minimal. The template you choose gives you the overall structure of the email, while the style helps define the look and feel. If you want something clean and professional, a simple layout is a great place to start. After that, you can customize your email. This is where you make the campaign yours. You can change the headline, update the body text, add your logo, replace images, and customize the colors and branding so everything matches your business or message. As you edit, make sure the content supports the purpose of your campaign. For example, if you are promoting a sale, your wording should be clear and persuasive. If you are sending a newsletter, your tone should be informative and easy to read. Take your time here and make sure every part of the email looks polished. A strong subject line, a clear message, and consistent branding can make a big difference in how your audience responds. If needed, you can keep adjusting the layout until the design feels right. Once you're happy with the edits, click Save and Exit. Saving your changes ensures everything you've worked on is preserved before you move on to the final review. This is a good habit, especially if you step away and come back later to finish the campaign. Before you send anything, review your campaign carefully. Check the subject line to make sure it is accurate and attention-grabbing. Confirm that the recipient audience is correct so the email goes to the right people. Then review the email content, images, links, and the overall design. This final check is extremely important because once the campaign is sent, mistakes can be hard to fix. Look for spelling errors, broken links, missing images, or anything that feels off. A quick review can save you from sending an email that doesn't look professional. When everything looks good and you're confident it's ready, go ahead and click Send. MailChimp will now send your email campaign to the audience you selected. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used a MailChimp account to import contacts, build an email campaign, customize it, review it, and send it out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.